Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, February 13th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework. However, you should probably check Google Classroom because there's something cool on there for you. Across the board, language arts, we've got the Watson's Go to Birmingham Journal number 9. Literature, our research activity is due by the end of the day tomorrow. For the honors class, your activity is due at the start of 7th period. Remember, tomorrow is 2 weeks since we had our 6th Calamity Day, which means Blizzard Bag number 1 is due in all subjects tomorrow. If you do not do the work, you will be charged with an unexcused absence, which could then come back to hurt you, in terms of truancy. Blizzard Bag number 2, that is due on Friday. Hopefully everyone has a wonderful evening and they can stay nice and warm. Take care now.